Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. This one is by Express Moment once again. This guy is just really doing his thing, and the name of the watch face is called Square Line. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a black and white theme. It's going to look really nice. It's going to have an elegant taste to it as well. But when the watch face is turned on, I really love the blending of the analog and the digital watch face. You can see the analog theme in the background looks really nice, and you got your digital time sitting right on top of it. Now with the digital time right up under it, you will get the day of the week and your date. Over to the left, you will get this light that you can turn on or turn off if you so choose. And also you're going to get your battery percentage over here. You come down, you're going to get your step goal completed, also your steps, calories burned, and your heart rate. And this is definitely a good look for a casual day and or night, and you can wear this through the work week with no problem. Now you will get shortcuts, so if you need to go into your S Health, you can. If you need to go into your weather, as you already seen, there you go. And if you tap up at the top, you can go in and set an alarm. And over here, you also can make a phone call. And right here, you can go into your calendar. So for a free watch face, my man did a really good job with this one. So make sure you go download before free becomes paid. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you go download it. And if you enjoyed the video, just make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.